How to remove your subject completely for free in Pixlr Online Photo Editor. Step 1, have your photo on Pixlr. In this case, I have a Michael Jackson photo and I have a background of a concert. The next step is to go to your left and click the scissors icon or the cutout/mask tool. And then click the AI Auto under Shape Mask. And there you go. Our subject is now removed from the background. The next step is to click our background image, and then it's to go under Filter, go under Details, and Gaussian Blur. Move this all the way to the left or type in here and then 100. We're going to apply the same thing, but you don't have to. And in the final step to make this image pop out is go under the Adjustment tab, Brightness and Contrast are the fourth option. I'm moving the brightness slightly down to -25 and I'm moving the contrast up to 55. And another thing to make this pop is go under to Adjustment and click Auto Be in White or Black and White. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel, drop this video a like, and share the video.